In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a website that you can use to make passive income online. And this is XP Marketing with another video. And if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. As you can see on this page right here, these are earning proof paid by this website to these users right here. All right, so now I'm going to be showing you how to make money with this website. And also, I don't recommend you do this method if you want to make passive income online. I recommend you do CPA marketing instead if you want to make hundreds of dollars every single day. And also make sure to click the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page right here where you can literally start making hundreds of dollars every single day with CPA marketing. All right, so the website you are going to be coming to is shrinkme.io. As you can see right here, all you just need to do is create an account, shorten your link, and earn money. It's that simple. All right, so now you may be wondering, how much are you going to make by promoting this link? So if you come over to this page right here, depending on the country, you can see this country, Greenland, is going to pay up to $22 for just 1,000 views. All right, and keep in mind, they don't need to buy any product or complete any offer, as you can see right here. So basically, you get paid per 1,000 views promoting your shorting links. So the next thing you want to do now, if you don't have an account, you want to click on the sign up button, as you can see right here. And once you sign up, they are going to pay you $1 for just signing up. As you can see, the minimum payout is $5, and you get paid every single day as long as you meet the minimum of $5. And you can see the payment method right here: Bitcoin, PayPal, Payer, WebMoney, and also you can see other numerous payment method that you can use to receive your earnings. So once you create your account, everything is going to look like this. And now I'm going to show you the best way that you can use to get thousands of views on your link. So you want to head over to YouTube. So once you come over to YouTube, you want to type in a video that gets a lot of views on YouTube. And an example of that niche is the weight loss niche. All right, so basically you can go for other entertainment niche, or you can go for viral video that are getting a lot of views on YouTube. So basically, to do that, you can just basically come to this section that says explore. So once you come over to this section that says explore, you are going to see a lot of trending videos on this section right here. You want to click on this trending right here. So once you click on that, you are going to see a lot of videos that are currently trending on YouTube. So the second method you can do is by going over to YouTube and you want to type in a niche that gets a lot of views. All right, so basically I'm just going to be taking the weight loss as an example. So right here, as you can see, you are basically just going to type in how to lose weight right here. So if you are going for any other niche, you want to do the same thing. All right, you want to type in the keyword on YouTube and you want to look for a video that's getting a lot of views on this niche. All right, so as you can see, this video right here has gotten over 180,000 views. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to grab the link to this video by clicking on it. And then I just want to copy the link to this video right here. And then you want to go back to your dashboard and then you want to click on shorting. So once you click on shorting, this is the link right here. All you need to do is copy this link. And now I'm going to show you how to drive thousands of views on this link for absolutely free. So you want to come over to Google, as you can see right here. And also, if you go back to the page, you can see the country that pays out the highest views is Greenland. As you can see right here, $22. So basically, once you come over to Google, so basically you want to click on these settings right here, and then you want to click on this advanced search. So once you do that, you want to scroll down to any region and you want to look for Greenland. As you can see, this is Greenland right here, and you want to click on search. So once you do that, you are going to see a lot of weight loss forum that you can find on Greenland. So basically, you can repeat the same for various countries, as you can find here. So if you want to go for United States, which pays $7, you want to repeat the same thing by coming to settings and you want to click on advanced search, and then you want to change this to United States. So once you do that, you want to click on advanced search. You can see right here there are a lot of forums that are in the United States right here. All right, so all you just need to do is click on these forums and you want to go over to this forum. And I don't recommend you going over there and spamming your link. You want to basically tell people how you got value from this video and how it has helped you to lose weight. So basically, if you leave a link to that video, a lot of people are going to want to check it out, and once they do so, you make money. Because keep in mind, they don't have to purchase anything, they don't need to sign up for any offer or anything like that. All they literally need to do is just view the link and you make money. So basically, you can repeat the same process for as many niches of your choice. You can do this for gaming videos, and you can find gaming forums on the specific country of your choice, or you can use it for any entertainment video or any viral video that you find in the trending section of YouTube, and you can replicate this same process for those videos. So basically, that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.